Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to type a degree symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed to the button search bar and type for Notepad. From here, wait until a best match would appear and please click on this open option to continue. The catch is in order to create or type type a degree symbol, all you need to do is you need to press Alt and the 076, okay, 0176, 0176 key in your keyboard, and you would be able to type for degree symbol. So let's try. Let me just type for 40, and you need to press Alt, okay, Alt and then 0176, and there you go, you have just successfully typed a degree symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Don't use the numbers that is being placed at the top side of the keyboard. Use the number key that is being placed at the right side of the keyboard, okay? So to show you, let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard so that you won't have any confusion. Let me just type for on-screen keyboard. Let me just click on open. Again, when typing for numbers, don't use the number keys here. Use the number keys that is being placed here. You'll be able to see a number keys being placed here in your built-in or physical keyboard, not this on-screen keyboard, because I'm just showing you the keys that you need to press on. Okay? So let's try again. Type for 50. Then press Alt 0176, and in that way you have just successfully typed a degree symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Another way is when you proceed to the button search bar and type for character map. Once you're done typing, please proceed with the best matched and click on open to continue. And you would be able to bring up a window like this. Here, please click on this down arrow key and select the system. Okay, so we just have to scroll down and locate for it. Okay. So from here, you would be able to see degree, degree symbol, yes. Then you just have to try to type through it, 60, bring up the window, which is the character map, and type here, okay, which is this. Just select it, copy it, and once you have copied it, paste it here. So make a right click and go with paste, and there you go. You have just successfully type a degree symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.